here and Tucker. As you can see, he thinks it's playtime. We're doing our stability ball workout of the day. It's our second one for AAA. Next week, we're going to use the resistance band. You can buy that at your local sports store too, or a local department store. So I'm going to turn the timer on and we're going to get started with a 6-minute core workout.
Prepare for 10 seconds.
All right, so let's lie down on our backs. There goes Tucker. He's going to play. We're going to dig our heels in, and we're going to take our hands behind our heads, and we're just going to lift up and crunch. So what I want to do is activate the back side of my body as well as my abdominals. I'm leading with my chest and not my head. So slightly tuck the chin in, look to the top of those knees, keep those elbows nice and wide. Big exhale as you rise. I want to see you really flatten out your back. So pull that belly button in and make sure that low back is flat to the mat. Then make sure you're engaging your hamstrings and your calves. So we've got 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and we're going to rock through it. This is kind of like your warm-up through the core. Nice deep breath, getting that body warm and ready for your 6-minute ab workout. You're going to feel everything you got today, gang. You can take this one with you anywhere if you got a stability ball. So now we're going to bring it up. We're going to do rollout. So I'm going to take my elbows to the top, walk my feet back, and I'm just going to push my elbows out and in. Shoulders are back and down, nice long spine. I'm keeping my body still, just moving through my elbows, keeping my hips up. You don't want to drop down like this. Squeeze your butt. So if you've got it and this is not too hard for you and you need something more challenging, come to your toes. Nice straight plank, nice long spine. Relaxing the shoulders away from your ears. You don't want to creep them up. You want to pull that belly in, lift those hips up. You don't want to sag. Keep a nice straight line. Breathe into this one, gang. It's really tough, so if you need to go back to your knees, if you start compromising through your low back, if your abdominals just can't crunch anymore, then you go here, reset your body, and come back in when you're ready. Oh, that one's a good one. So we're going to take it to the floor. We're going to place this in between our feet, ankle area. We're going to bring our legs out here, elbow under. We're going to work the sides. Now see how little this movement is? I'm holding on to this ball for dear life in between my legs. So just hold on to it as long as you can. 50 seconds is a long time. I'm feeling that love handle area. Another option is to put your head down on the floor, relax, and keep going. You can lift a little higher here or keep the movement small and hard. I'm feeling everything I got right through the love handles. I'm not leaning back. I'm not leaning forward. I'm keeping a nice long body from my head to my toes. So see how I keep my head up? Chest is lifted. It's a small movement, gang. You're going to feel this burn as soon as you start. Try not to touch those feet to the floor. Oh, on fire. And also, you're working those legs, so you're getting a good inner thigh workout as well. So we're on our side. The hard part is getting your body right there. So lifting. Now, as you can see, I can lift a little higher on this side. Is that normal? Yes. Sometimes we're stronger on one side than the other. Sometimes we're more flexible on the other side than the other. That's an okay thing. You will even out your body in time with flexibility exercises and strength exercises. So lift your chest up tall. You just got to keep rocking and keep moving, gang. And think positive. You guys are so awesome out there. Thanks for all your support. Having so much fun with these workouts. Sharing my long-time knowledge with you guys has been a great thing. Oh my gosh, inner thigh is gonna fire up like crazy. I'm starting to feel some sweat. Woo! No joke right there, gang. Okay, we're gonna go back to the floor. We're gonna dig in again. We're gonna do a crunch and then reverse. So, crunch up and then reverse. Crunch up. We did the reverse crunch last week. So this week, we're gonna add on, crunch up and release. Just relax your head and your hands like a pillow. You don't wanna push through your neck. My clients always complain about their necks. As soon as I tell them to relax their head, lead with their chest, and crunch up with their abdominals, they're like, oh my gosh, I I get it now. So you don't have to come up as far as me. You can simply lift your shoulders slightly off your mat. Dig in. Really power your hips to the ceiling. Feeling upper, middle, and lower abdominals. It doesn't need to be fast. Oh. Now, here's our challenge. We're gonna hold a plank with our hands out like this on the ball. Fingertips nice and long. Oh. So this is gonna challenge you big time, gang. Shoulders are backing down. Open that chest, slightly bend the elbows. Really feel that body fire up. Think nice long spine. Dig deep. Hey, Tucker. And we're gonna pull that belly in. 50 seconds is a long time. So if you need to sit back, reset your body, then come back in, totally do it. You choose. Now you may see my arms shaking a little. You may get a little off balance. Catch yourself and work up to it. Open that chest. Squeeze that belly. Try not to drop your hips. You know you're dropping your hips when your abdominals are not engaged. Re-engage them. Squeeze your butt cheeks to protect that low back. Hang on to it, gang. And relax. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. All right, gang. So now we're going to go into hamstring crunch. So we're going to go hamstring up, crunch. Hamstring up, crunch. Hamstring up, crunch. So we're just getting the glutes, the hammies, and we're gonna add that crunch to another combo movement. Dig in, push through, pull that belly in, really reach for it, gang. You can do it. Squeeze those bottoms together. Dig in really deep. Deep breath. Almost there. 2, 1. Thanks, gang, for working out with me today. I hope you enjoy your bonus workout for the week. Have a great rest of your weekend.